Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify POS Smart Grid Editor. This is an incredibly useful feature that allows you to customize your point of sale interface, making it faster and more efficient to process transactions, add fees, and perform common actions during checkout. To get started, open your browser and navigate to Shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store and point of sale system. Once you're on the home page, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Point of Sales to expand that section, and then underneath it, click on Settings. This is where you'll access all the configuration options for your POS system. Now in the Settings area, look for the Customize section and click on Smart Grid. This is the tool that will allow you to create and manage custom layouts for your point of sale interface, tailoring it to match your specific business needs and workflow. When you click Smart Grid, it will open a Smart Grid template page. On the left side of this page, you'll see a plus icon. Click on that plus icon to create a new Smart Grid template. You'll be prompted to input a name for your template, so choose something descriptive that will help you identify it later, like main register or checkout counter. Once you've entered the name, click Create to confirm and generate your new template. After creating your template, you'll see a pencil icon on the left side. Click this pencil icon to edit the locations where this smart grid will be used. A dialog will appear showing your available locations. Select the specific location where you want this grid to appear, then click Done to confirm your selection. Next, click Confirm to finalize your location settings. This ensures that your custom grid will appear at the right register or point of sale device in your store. Under page 1, you'll see all the tiles that are currently part of your grid. To add a new tile, click Add Tile. A menu will appear with different tile options. For example, let's click Fee. This will allow you to add a custom fee to your checkout process. Input a title for this fee, such as plastic bag fee, and then input the price you want to charge. Once you've filled in these details, click Add to place the tile on your grid. One of the great features of the Smart Grid is its flexibility. You can rearrange any tile by simply clicking and dragging it to a new position on the grid. This lets you organize your most frequently used items for quick access. If you want to customize the appearance of a specific tile, click on it and you'll be able to adjust the color to help it stand out or match your branding. And if you decide you no longer need a particular tile, simply click the trash can icon next to it to delete it from your grid. To expand your grid's functionality, you can click Add Tile Page to create additional pages. This is perfect when you have more tiles than can fit comfortably on a single screen. After adding a new page, click Add Tile again and explore different options. For example, let's click Action and then select Add Customer. This creates a quick shortcut for adding customer information during checkout, which can significantly speed up your transaction process. Now, when you're viewing your smart grid, you'll notice small dots appearing at the bottom or top of the interface. You can click these dots to switch between the different pages you've created, making it easy to access all your custom tiles. On the top of the screen, you'll find Preview options. Click this to switch between different device views like tablet and mobile, or change the appearance from dark to light mode. This helps you see exactly how your grid will look on different devices and in different lighting conditions. Once you're satisfied with your smart grid layout and all your tiles are positioned exactly how you want them, click the Save button located in the upper right corner. Your custom smart grid is now ready to use at your point of sale, making your checkout process smoother and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.